Turn on the water tester using the power button. Add a water sample to all 3 measuring chambers with a special syringe, exactly 10 milliliters in each. Cover the measuring chambers with the light protection cap. Press the 0 button. Wait until the countdown ends. Drain some of the water from the measuring chamber until about 5% remains. Prepare the special shaker. It is not included in the standard kit and must be purchased separately as an accessory. Press the T2 button to go to the selection menu. Use the up and down buttons to select the desired parameter. Click OK to confirm the selected parameter. Add a 20 milliliters water sample to a special shaker. Pour a bag of nitrate number 1 into the shaker. Then add a bag of nitrate number 2. Shake the content of the shaker for 15 seconds. Leave it to stand for 10 minutes. Take 10 milliliters of the pre-prepared sample from the shaker using the special syringe. Pour the sample from the syringe into the chamber number 2, exactly 10 milliliters. Cover the measuring chamber with a light protection cap. Press the 2 button to start the countdown. Then press OK button and wait until the countdown ends and the test results appear. To turn off the device, press and hold on the off button. Run the other test if necessary. After providing the test, obligatory rinse the cuvette with clean water and prepare your tester for the next measurement. Wipe dry the cuvette with a clean cloth. If you have finished testing, pack your tester into the bag. PoolWaterLAB, perfect water, perfect moments, test, trust, and dive in.